Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths is Easy, Mathematically Proven. Today, I am going to explain iterative method of class grade 12 A levels paper 3, pure mathematics 3. Okay, this is a part of numerical equation of solutions. Today, I am going to explain iterative method. See here. I'm going to explain some problems based on that. Okay. Actually, what is meant by iterative method means for finding the approximate value, nearest value of the root, we are going to use iterative method. Okay. Suppose if you are substituting approximate value starting point in a particular iterative process, like whenever the equation is given, you should convert into x n plus 1 is equals to f of xn. Xn plus 1 is equals to f of xn. You should convert, and after taking approximate value starting point, you have substitute, you find x1 will assume that one, we find x2, x3, x4, x5 like that. Okay. Suppose the value is repeating, like we are getting same value of particular decimal places, then we are going to find out the root which is nearer to the root solution. Okay, so we are going to use this concept. Now, say here, if you are not getting repeat same value, then again you have to substitute the values. Continuation you have to do till you get the same value. Okay, now we are going to discuss some two problems based on this iterative method. Please look at this 8th question of numerical equation of solutions. Okay, in that 6th, 8th question, 11th question, I am saying this is a repeated important questions. The equation cos x is equals to x square has a root alpha between 1 and 2. Already has mentioned that alpha is lie between 1 and 2. Okay, now the equation can be rearranged as x is equals to sine inverse 1 by x square or x is equals to root of 1 by sine x. So we have to rearrange this equation into like this. That is first step. Next one, what they asked over here, write down two possible iterative formula, one based on each given rearrangement using starting point. He has mentioned that starting value will be 1.5, means we should assume x1 is equals to 1.5, and show that the one of the formula from part A fails converges, means this formula fails converges, we have to show that. Okay, now fails to converge, so we are not going to get the repeated values over there. Okay, now means we are not getting the values properly. How it will be, we'll check it out. Show that the other formula part A converges alpha and find the value of alpha correct to 3 decimal places. Give the result of each iteration to 5 decimal places. By giving 5 decimal places, we have to find the value of alpha of 3 decimal places. Okay, now see your solution. Here the solution. Okay, now see here what I am doing over here. He has given that cos x is equals to x square. Okay, so they're asking us to rearrange into two iterative formulas. Okay, cos x is equal cos x is equals to x square. Cos x can be written as 1 by sin x is equal to x square. Okay, x is equals to square is that side 1 by root 1 by sin x. Okay, x, this we can convert into like this. Xn plus 1 is equals to root of 1 by sin of xn. That's what we have to write in iteration process. Xn plus 1 is equals to f of xn. Okay, now see here. Here I am also writing in another form. Sin x 1 by sin x is equal to x square. Sin x, write its reciprocal 1 by x square. Sin x is on that side sin inverse 1 by x square. So xn plus 1 is equals to sin inverse 1 by x square, xn square. Okay, now this is they're asking us to write down this form. Now second one is 1 by 1 we'll find out. First I am using this one. Xn plus 1 is equals to 1 by root sin xn. Already as mentioned that x1 is equals to 1.5. Okay, so this x1 n plus 1 now. So 1 plus 1 is 2. X2 is equals to root of 1 by sin x1. Okay, sin x1. What is the value of x1 over here? What we have seen over here? Sin of 1.5. So you have to take the calculator and simplify what is sin 1.5 value. And if you simplify that, root of that, you will get 1.002125. Again, this will become as x2. Again, you have to substitute. If you substitute again, means x3 is equals to what it will be over here? 1 by root sin of what it is, 1 by sin of 1 minute, root of 1 by sin of x2. X2 value what it is over here? 1.00125. Substitute over here and simplify, you will get this value. Continuously you do this process, you will get some certain value, we will get some same value in certain points. See here, there is 1.0676 and 1.6838, 1.6818, 1.680624, 1.0682. Okay, approximately we are getting 1.068. So they're asking us at 3 decimal points earlier. So the alpha value is this one, which is nearer to that value. Okay. Now, if I use this method, okay, if I use this formula, then whether we are going to get or not, we'll check it out. So, see, I am going to substitute over here. First, x1 is equal to 1.5. If you substitute x1 is 1.5, then 1 by 1 by 1.5 whole square if I do, if you simplify, you will get the 0.4605. If I substitute 0.4605 again, x3 value will not be defined. Why? Because sin value will be lie between -1 to 1. So this value will get more than 1. So it is not defined, does not exist over here. Okay, it fails to converge. Okay, so this is how they are asking us to show the thing. Is it clear or not? Now I'm going to explain another problem, same method only. All the problems are same, like this only. Once we have to take starting point and our substitution in the iterative formula, then you have to continue till you get the same approximate value. Then you stop. That will be the answer for that. Okay, now. And suppose if they're asking us to find whether it lie between this particular range or not, means how will you do that one? Suppose this is 1 to 1.2 is 0. So this 1 and this 1.2 substitute in the formula in this f of x is equals to cosine x minus x square. If it is sign changes, means change of sign, it represents a proof. That way you have to calculate. Suppose if they ask that one. Okay. Now here 11th question. What is 11th question? Let me share the question first. 11th question is saying the graphs of y is equals to 3 by 2 whole to the power of x minus 1 and y is equal to x intersect at point 0, 0 and a. So if these two graphs are intersecting at two different points, one is origin, one is point A. And first question is sketch these graphs on the same diagram and using logarithmics, find the suitable iterative formula that can be used to find the coordinates of the point A. Okay, the first question. Second question. Calculate the length of OA, giving your answer correct to two significant figures. Give the value of any iteration you calculate to suitable number of significant figures. Okay. Now see here. Now I am going to share the solution. Say here. Now, first, you draw the graph. Y is equals to 3 by 2 whole to the power of x minus 1. Y is equal to x. You know y is equal to x is passing through the origin only. Okay. And y is equals to 3 by 2 x whole to the power of minus 1. Putting some values, you will get the graph like this. Okay. And it will intersect some point over here. So that point will be A. Is it clear or not? Now, next one is what they're asking us to find out over here. Then they're asking us to find the point A also. How will you find this point A? See here. See, first 3 by 2 whole to the power of x is equals to 1 is equal to x. Then I'm going to apply log on both the sides. Why? Because we have to write the iterative formula. So to apply ln on both the sides, ln 1.5 whole to the power of x equal ln x plus 1. Okay. Ln a to the power of m into ln a is equals to ln x plus 1. So x is equals to ln x plus 1 by ln 1.5. So this is the iterative formula. So by using this, we have to find the value. So approximate value I am taking 2. Okay, 2 value I am taking over here. So if I take 2 value over here, x1 is the starting point. No, what I'll get over here? Substitute x1 is equal to log 2 plus 1 is log 3. Log 3 by 1.5, then we will get the 2.7. Again, substitute x2 is equal to 2.7, you will get this one. Again, substitute x3, you will get this one. Continuously do it. You will get some certain values over here. See here, and you will get some after some points substitution, you will get same repetition, like same value 0.394, 3.94, 3.94. So, however, they're asking us to write 2 decimal places only. So, 3.94 is the value, and y value also 3.94 approximately. Okay, now y is equal to x only. Y is equal to x means if x is equal to 3.94, obviously y is also 3.94 only. Okay, so point A we got. And also they're asking us to find the distance from origin to the point where it is intersecting the curve. So what is the distance between distance between 2 points? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If I take this is x1 and this is y1, and if I take this is x2, this is y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you simplify this, you will get the value over here. Okay, only they're asking us like 2 significant figures. So 5.6. So this is how we have to simplify the problem by using iterative method. I hope you have understood my concepts clearly. Thank you for watching my video.